I'm Brittany with WTI, and have you ever wanted to try making your own tortillas?
And this ZUJJAFY Tortilla press can help you to do that. And not only gets the job done, but I think looks beautiful. It's got an ergonomic handle, so it's easy to grip and to put pressure on it. The hinge presses up against the top. It has the diameter indicators on there, and it also turns, which helps you to get a nice even press. I use this for pizza. It's nice to get it to that even thickness that you can just then roll up the crust and make some delicious pizza. Now for the tortillas, it comes with its own tortilla recipe, very easy to follow, just basically flour, baking powder, oil, water, and salt. You roll it all together, separate it into the recommended size of the tortilla balls, and it comes also with the parchment paper so that they don't stick to the bamboo or to itself. And then you just push it down and flip the handle. Turning it also allows you to be able to make sure that is an even press that you're getting. It makes good thick tortillas like for pita breads, but if you want it a little bit thinner, just roll it out a little bit and then that press is going to make it all nice and even. It was a lot of fun.
And that's my point of view.